Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. The chance of rain will return to many areas today. It's not going to be a lot of rain today, but this weather pattern will start to pick up a little momentum in the upcoming days. So we actually think there's a little higher rain chance in the upcoming days compared to today. But I think there will be a few cooling rain showers out there this afternoon. Always a good thing because we do have forecast highs winding up in the low to mid 90s across the entire Arklatex today. So here's a look at satellite radar. We basically have this stalled out frontal boundary that's just to the south of us here, so you can see very active weather down along the coastline this morning. Eventually we are going to get a south breeze returning today, so that's probably going to push some of this rain in south of Interstate 20. I mentioned the rain, not for everybody today, but I think there's a good chance in the next 2 to 3 days you'll definitely see some rain pop up, especially during the warmest part of the day. We will see some of these daytime showers and storms each day through the weekend, but I'll look at your temperatures this morning. Feels decent. We're in the low to mid 70s. You'll start to feel a little humidity come back today, and highs are forecast to reach the low 90s before rain gets here. But I actually think the highs may wind up in the upper 80s in a few locations here south of I-20 if we can get the rain going right around the noon hour today. So kind of a messy weather pattern across the country. We've got this ridge of high pressure out to the west, so unfortunately our friends out there baking in another heat wave. We've got Tropical Storm Elsa out here off the coast of Florida and another area of high pressure that's just north of us. So basically it's kind of sandwiched this front in here, which is going to be responsible for some of the daily rain chances. And honestly, in July, this is a pretty good weather pattern to be in. As long as you have that daily rain chance, it keeps the temperatures from getting too hot out there. And it won't be enough rain to cause any issues. So look at Futurecast today. Just kind of spotty showers out there through the afternoon and evening. So if you're lucky enough to get some of that rain, it will bring a cool down during the warmest part of the day. We'll get a little better push from the rain tomorrow. So we'll take you through Wednesday here on your Robin Studded Futurecast. And it is showing a little bit of a push to the rain to the north here. So it's not like a cold front comes through and drops several hours of rain and rain's a guarantee, but I think there's a higher chance here that we'll see some of these scattered showers Wednesday as well as Thursday. So look at Tropical Storm Elsa. Continues to pass over Cuba here. It is heading up towards Florida. So the latest forecast has the winds up to 60 miles per hour. So this may be a high-end tropical storm or maybe a low-end Category 1 hurricane as it nears landfall some point tomorrow. Big Bend area of Florida there, and this will continue up the eastern seaboard all the way through Friday, potentially off the coast of New York there on Friday. So if you have any travel plans between now and Friday that take you to the East Coast or through one of the East Coast airports, just kind of check ahead with that, as there will likely be a lot of rain with this system. Again, the wind impacts not as significant, but the rain impacts will be pretty high here up and down the coastline. Again, that will have no impact on us. We'll continue to see some of those sea breeze type showers and storms here all the way through the weekend. Pretty low rain chance, I would say, Saturday, but we do have that increasing chance of rain maybe Sunday into Monday. Should be able to squeeze in those outdoor plans this weekend. Doesn't look to be a washout for us. Unfortunately, the rain doesn't bring a big cool down, but it just kind of keeps our highs from getting too hot, as we'll stay in the low to mid 90s for the next 7 days.